棵树修剪得非常有艺术。Light too long. 我们现在上2楼哈。先上2楼看一下。其实这个跑马场我们来过好多次了，也在这边现场看过好多次那个赛马。平时有跑马的话，都会在这边所有的窗户都会打开来卖票，自己选你的马，还有支付钱。它是有一个机器，自己选项买的，就像这个样子，这样子。这呢，这是个酒吧。这里可以坐在这边喝着酒，看着马赛。马场里面看一下，先找一下我们的位置。这个位置呢是要付费的哈。
everybody, thank you so much. Thank you. All right. Michelle's ahead. You guys rock. Thank you, everybody. Who's tired? Nobody. We're gonna go to. Aren't we gonna go to about 2 in the morning? I think so. All right, ladies and gentlemen, we want to thank you for being here with us tonight. We're called. You ready? Ladies and gentlemen of Arcadia, thank you for being here with us tonight. We're called The Answer. We hope you all had a good time. We want to say good night to you. Good night, all. I want everybody to stick around for the drone show coming right up.
Evening, Arcadia, and happy 4th of July, everyone. Welcome to Arcadia 250 at Santa Anita Park. Tonight, we're celebrating America's 250th birthday with a one-of-a-kind spectacular brought to you by the city of Arcadia. But before we begin, what are you all asleep out there? USC Arcadia Hospital, Tech Medicine of USC. Sing, dance, cheer, and join us as we celebrate 250 years of the American spirit. Who's it going to be? Red, white, or blue? The horses are moving at the gate. The crowd is on its feet. The starter has them. And we're off. Here we go. Red breaking sharply from the gate. White is right there to challenge. Blue drops in just behind as they race into that first turn. And let's see them run, run, run. Red by half length. White won't let up. Blue is beginning to roll on the outside. Down the back stretch they thunder. Red still has the advantage. White inches closer. Who's it going to be? Red, white, or blue? Red, it's red, it's red as a wire. What a finish, folks. Red is your winner tonight. Thank you for participating in the very first drone show. ignition and lift off.